Guys, welcome back to Ashir Puneslok Reunited. Last time we talked about generations of computer language and their characteristics. So this is the part 2 of it, and let's start the video. Fourth generation language. Fourth generation language are more advanced than third generation language. They are a combination of many languages with the following features: highly user-friendly and independence of any operating system, very high speed of execution, designed to reduce the level of programming efforts, minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information, designed to reduce the time and cost of software development. In 4GL or fourth generation language, the users has to specify the required output they want, while the computer determines the sequence of instructions that will accomplish those results. Fourth generation language include PHP, Ruby, Python, Perl, and SQL, which are commonly used to manage databases. The fifth generation language or 5GL consists of visual tools to develop a program. These languages are used to develop programs for field of artificial intelligence and artificial neural networks. Some examples of fifth generation language are Mercury, OPS5 and Prolog. Now let's learn a few little things. Lady Ada Lovelace, a mathematician, is regarded as the first computer programmer. The term software was first used by John W. Turkey in 1958. Space War was the first interactive computer game. Back to our topic, let's learn a few features of all the languages. Machine language uses binary codes to depict operators and data. Machine dependent, the only language directly understood by a computer. Assembly language uses mnemonic codes or symbols instead of binary numbers. Machine dependent, has to be converted into machine language by translator programmers, assemblers. High-level language uses English words and mathematical operators. Machine dependent, has to be converted into machine language by translator programmers called interpreters and compilers. "4GL or fourth generation language, machine independent, minimal user skills required to obtain results, application development tools." 5GL or fifth generation language, used to develop artificial intelligence programs, machine independent and easy to learn. Guys, so the computer languages have ended here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe whoever are watching, and thank you for all your cooperation. Thank you. This is Ashir Puneslok Mahanti from my channel, signing off. Bye.